Hi merchants, you know that in this ever-evolving world of e-commerce, customer experience is paramount. When shoppers explore a product, the desire to discover something else with a similar aesthetic is a common thread. Fast Simon's visually similar solution addresses this need with finesse. Harnessing the power of visual AI modeling, the app adept identifies visually similar products, offering a dynamic and engaging browsing experience. With this innovative feature, customers can effortlessly peruse items akin to their preferences, eliminating the need to start anew in the search box. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the seamless process of integrating the Fast Simon, visually similar block into your Tapcart dashboard. Let's get started. Open the GitHub repository at this address, choose Fast Simon, visually similar block. Scroll to the Installation and Configuration section. Open the Tapcart admin. Expand the App Studio in the header toolbar. Click on Product Detail. Choose Custom Block and launch the editor. Copy the code from the GitHub repository. Paste the code into the editor. In the Fast Simon dashboard, navigate to the Settings tab. Copy your UUID and store ID, paste them in the corresponding spots in the script.js file. Hit Save when done. Return to the Tapcart dashboard. Drag the block into the Product Detail container. Hit Save and Update. Save again. Click on a product to see visually similar products presented. Congratulations! You've successfully added the Fast Simon, visually similar block.